Hi, this is Juan Carlos with Sosta, and in this video I will show you how to use the new Chrome extension for HTTP recordings. The Chrome extension for HTTP recordings is available as of Sosta 57. You can now record directly into the browser without installing or routing traffic through the Conductor proxy. With the Chrome extension, you can record activity from just the tabs you want, with no risk of picking up HTTP traffic from other tabs or running applications. This approach also eliminates installation, configuration, and connectivity challenges associated with a proxy-based approach. The recording extension supports both HTTP and HTTPS, including WebSockets. Since the HTTP recorder is a Chrome extension, a Chrome browser is required. Finally, the Chrome extension for recording is recommended over Conductor. So now let's take a look at the Chrome extension recording within Cloud Test itself. Let's start by selecting the option to create a new test clip. Click on the record dropdown and select record HTTP. And here is the option to select the extension recording method. So we'll do that. Click next. So the first time, if you don't have the Chrome extension, you will need to install it from the Chrome Web Store. So let's go there. In the Web Store, we just need to click on Add to Chrome. You will need to accept the permissions and add the extension. After that, you can see the extension icon in the toolbar itself. So let's close that and go back to Cloud Test. Once installed, you can use the extension to record immediately. Currently, I only have one tab open for Cloud Test itself. But let's see what happens if I add a second tab. So let's go to www.sostastore.com. Go back to Cloud Test. And now I can see the tab for Sosta Store also. So you can select the tabs that you want to record. You can record any tab that you already have open, any tab that you open during recording, or a new tab will be open for you. Or you can select all of them. One quick tip is how to select the option to allow incognito mode. So right click on the extension icon, click on Manage Extensions, and from here you can check the option to allow incognito mode for the cloud extension recording. So remember that when you open a new window in incognito mode, you don't need to worry about clearing the cache or clearing cookies. So let's do that and demonstrate recording using the Chrome extension recording. I'm going to close this tab. I don't want to open a new tab. I will open a new incognito window once recording starts. Let's give it a name. Let's save it in our clips folder. Next, I'm going to click record. Recording started. Now I'm going to open a new incognito window. Debugging mode is required for the Chrome extension recording to work, so you will see this message during recording. Sosta Cloud Test Recording Extension is debugging this browser. Now I'm going to open the Sosta Store homepage. As you can see, some traffic has been already recorded. Click on Forum. And click Stop. And that was a quick example using the Chrome extension recording. For additional resources, make sure to visit our forum at cloudlink.sosta.com. Contact us in multiple ways, and make sure to follow us in both Twitter and Facebook.